welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about July empties product. Whichever product I have emptied in the month of July, I'm going to show you. And I know I'm a bit late, but no matter what, I am presenting this video in front of you all. So let's just start with the video. So the first product and the best product I have used in the month of July is this Pond's Light Moisturizer. And as you can see, this is empty. This provides a good amount of hydration and it does not clog your pores and smells amazing. And for this tub I have paid rupees 35, as you can see, 35 for this product. So now I'm going to order its big tub as well as its super light gel, which is a raved product nowadays on internet. So I'm going to order that product for myself. So this is the first product which I have emptied in the month of July. Next is this delicious lip balm, which is by Good Vibes chocolate lip balm. And as you can see, थोड़ा सा बचा है बस, ये भी अब खत्म ही हो जाएगा. And this is what I have emptied in almost 2 months, like in June and July. So I have emptied in the month of July, so I am showing you in the month of July's empties. And this is what I have finished, and I'm going to order this again just because it smells delicious, it tastes delicious, and it is actually delicious. I have eaten it when I have applied on my lips. I'm sorry, but I have done this, and this is really like a chocolate. It gives the feeling of real chocolate on your lips and makes your lips so smooth and glossy. This is my next product which I have emptied. Third product which I have emptied in the month of July is this Himalayan Organics Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which is rejuvenated facial serum. And this is actually very nice product. As you can see, there is nothing inside it, and it really makes a difference in my skin. That's what will last me up for 2 months, and it actually makes a difference on my skin. These are static lines, I cannot do anything about this, but the fine lines which are developing beneath these static lines, this helps in reducing that fine lines. So this is very nice. You can go and check it out, this product, on Amazon. So this is my third product which I have emptied in the month of July. The next up is this VLCC Natural Science Mulberry and Rose Fairness Face Wash, and this is emptied. I got this in a pack of 1+1, that is buy one get one free, at the price of 190, and the other one is in my washroom. I'm using that, and this is emptied. And I am not using it alone, my mom and my sister is also using it, so that's why face washes जो है वो बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म होते हैं मेरे. So this is the next face wash. It actually when you apply this face wash on your face, it actually makes your skin feel refreshing. This is really very nice, and the amount we are paying, that is only 190 for 2 face washes. I give it a big thumbs up. So this is my next empty in the month of July. Next up is nothing but this Gulabari Rose Water, and I am emptying this product every month because I am mixing it in my shampoo, as well as I am mixing it in my DIYs, as well as I am spraying it on my face morning, night, or whenever I want to feel refreshed and I want to feel the smell of roses. So this is the product which I am emptying every month because it's not expensive. It's just 75 rupees and you're getting this amount of rose water. So this is my next emptied in the month of July. You can also try it. It's really very nice. Rose water is very nice for your skin. Next up is also a VLCC product, and that is VLCC Rose Scrub, and it has very minute particles and it just cleanses out your nose blackheads. If you have blackheads, I don't have blackheads, I have whiteheads. So it just cleanses out your nose, your forehead, your T-zone actually, and this is really very nice. This is the next product which I have emptied in the month of July because scrubbing, who does not need scrubbing? We want a clean base for our makeup, so scrubbing is good for that. So this is the next product which I have emptied in the month of July. Next up is this Maybelline Clear Glow All-in-One BB Cream in the shade 02 Radiance, and this was the old packaging, but this is my holy grail product. If I'm not applying any foundation, if I'm not applying any concealer, this is the product which I apply on my face, not on a regular basis, but if I go outside for any party or anything, I just apply this. I don't use foundations or concealers on a regular basis. So this does not cost too much. It's just 275 for I guess 18 ml of product. So this is really very nice. I'm in the shade 02 if anybody wants to know. I'm in the shade 02 Radiance, and now the packaging has been changed, so I am in the shade 01 now. But this product is thumbs up, guys, thumbs up. Next up is the product by the Body Shop, and that is their Moringa perfume. And guys, this perfume is just heaven. It is no product in this. I have the full range of this Moringa from the Body Shop. I have used their body washes, which I have showed you in my last video, like June's empty. I will put the link somewhere down or somewhere here. So this is the next product. It cost a bit high, like 845 rupees for 30 ml, but it's worth the price. This is really very amazing, guys. It's actually very amazing. Body Shop's products are just amazing. And if we talk about Body Shop now, this is the product which is the Body Shop Moringa Softening Body Milk. As you can see, I have all the range of Moringa, and this is the next product from my Moringa range. Last month I have showed you the body wash. This is the body milk, and this is the perfume. And I have the soap of Moringa range as well. So this is my next MD, and it actually makes your skin so soft and so healthy. I have used around 3 this bottle of softening body milk, but I just love this product, and I am highly recommending it to you guys. Just go and check it out once. It's really amazing. Next up is also a Body Shop product, that is the Body Shop Vitamin E Eye Cream. As you can see, I have emptied 2 tubes of this, but I haven't showed it in my last video. I'll give it to you in my this July's empties, and this product is really amazing. I have even tried Plum One's Bright Ears Under Eye Gel, but that doesn't do any good to my under eyes. This is the product which is really amazing, and this is really amazing. I just love Body Shop products. That is my holy grail brand which I use on a regular basis. I have shown you this product which I have emptied in the month of July in my nighttime skincare routine, but whereas this Body Wise Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 Skin Glow Serum I use in my morning skincare routine, and this is actually very nice. It's really affordable. You can buy it, as well as it's really nice for your skin. I just love it. I have the second bottle with me. In my last video, in my purple haul, I have showed you that I have bought this again, and I'm really loving it. So these are all the products which I have used in the month of July, and I have emptied quite a lot, because not only me, my family is also using the same products which I am using. So that's why my product used to get emptied so fast. So I hope you like this video, and my review is helpful. This mini review is helpful for you all. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell which is down there, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Till then, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye, guys.